To get your Infiniti scheduled for service, you can make an appointment online or call our service team directly. If you are arriving westbound on Pacific Highway, you will want to make a left turn into our dealership lot. If you are arriving eastbound, you will want to make a right. As you drive through the lot to our building, you will see the service bay. Slowly pull in all the way until the front of your car reaches the tire stack. One of our service members will come out and greet you. They will confirm your information and go over the appointment details. You might have noticed the Hunter machine as you pulled in. The Hunter provides a detailed analysis of your vehicle's alignment, which we will print out and review with you as a part of your service. While we take care of your vehicle, you can lounge in our waiting room with complimentary snacks and refreshments. You can even take a peek at our exciting new vehicle lineups in the showroom around the corner. If you are looking to get out and about, we have plenty of options for food close by. And just like that, your Infiniti is serviced and ready to get back on the road. If you need to drop your vehicle off after dealership hours, you can use our night drop box location in front of the service bay. Simply fill out the form, attach your keys, and drop them in the box, and we will get right to your vehicle the following day. We are so glad you trust Infiniti of Tacoma at Fife for your service needs. We can't wait to serve you and your vehicle, so schedule your service appointment today.